In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for teaching 2026, step by step. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboard that works beautifully for both live and asynchronous classes. We'll walk through setting up a board, structuring your lesson, engaging students interactively, and wrapping up so your learners can revisit everything afterward. Start by logging into Miro and creating a new board. Give it a clear lesson-based name like Marketing Basics Session 1 so you can find it later. Think of each board as your lesson plan and workspace combined. It's where you'll explain, demonstrate, and let students participate, all in one place. Before you invite anyone, set up the structure. Add frames, these act like slides to guide the flow. Create a frame for your objectives, another for lesson content, a third for the activity, and a final one for reflection or Q&A. Add short titles at the top of each frame so students always know where they are. This simple map keeps everyone oriented and reduces confusion. Now add your teaching content inside each frame. Keep text concise and scannable. Use diagrams or flowcharts to show relationships, and images to support visual learners. When helpful, embed links or short videos so students can dive deeper. Aim for a visual balance. Miro shines when you avoid walls of text and lean on graphics and spacing. Next, build interactive moments. Set up a brainstorming area where students can add sticky notes, a space for mind mapping so you can group ideas together, and a simple voting section using reactions or dot voting for quick decisions. You can also design drag and drop exercises. The key is to let students work on the board directly, not just watch you. When you're ready to bring students in, click Share and choose the right access. Use Can View for lecture moments, then switch to Can Edit for activities. Share the link with your class and toggle permissions during the session to keep things focused. As you teach live, use presentation mode to step through your frames like slides. Zoom into specific areas to direct attention, and use your cursor or highlighter to emphasize key points. Invite students to interact. Call on them to add notes,